Hello all. This session's topic is C tokens in C language, which is most important and without which writing a program is not possible. Alright. The topic is, let me write it down here, C tokens. What are these C tokens? How those are represented? All this information I'll try to give in this particular session. Alright. As I said just now, without C tokens, let me make a point here. Writing a program is not possible, cannot be written. Alright, I'll just make this statement. Now what are these C tokens? Let us see one by one. Firstly, let me take keywords. What are the different keywords that we use in C language? These keywords are of 32 types. Okay, now nothing but a predefined words. Okay, predefined words, there is some specific meaning, okay, which are written in lowercase. All right, now the second one is identifiers. These identifiers also comes under C tokens, used to name variables, structure, constants. For example, these are used to name variables, structures. Now you'll understand better when I write a program what is a variable, what is a structure, what is a constant. Alright, what is a constant? Many other are there. For example, functions, pointers, arrays, etc. Alright, now these all comes under identifiers. Alright, now in this particular identifiers, both lower, upper can be used with the help of an underscore. Okay, name can be started with whatever we consider. In this case, name starts with lower or uppercase, either lower or uppercase. Okay, with an underscore. Okay, digits are not allowed. In this case, digits are not allowed. In this particular identifiers case. All right, and the next one is, let me write it down here. Third one, let me take or consider operators. Third one is operators, where nothing but symbols, plus symbol, minus symbol, all these comes under operators. All right, all these operators are nothing but symbols. Now as you can say, plus or minus, divisible and modulo, all this comes under this particular operators. All right, next, fourth token, I would say constants. Constants, what are these constants? Means numerics and string. Numerics and strings. All right, and finally the fifth most important is, you can say separators, or you can say special symbols, separators or special symbols. What are these separators and special symbols? For example, if I'll say if I want to terminate a line or a block, that can be done with the help of a semicolon. Okay, this is called a terminator. This is called a terminator. All right. Similarly, now where we use this particular terminator means if you want to declare anything, for example, int example I'm showing you, int x comma y comma z. These are the three variables I'm considering. I'm terminating this particular line. Okay, there we try to use this. In the same way, under separators and special symbols, we have brackets. Okay, this indicates parenthesis, what you call. We call this as a parenthesis. Similarly, a square bracket. This particular square, as I said in the previous lectures also, square bracket used to mention size of an array. This is used to mention size of an array. All right, this particular thing. Similarly, braces, for example, opening brace and a closing brace. Whatever the instructions we write with respect to that particular C code, that has to be written in between these two braces only. We call this as braces. Okay. Similarly, single quotes and double quotes. This also comes under C tokens, under separators and special symbols. Okay, these we need to understand, we need to remember where we use single quotes, where we use double quotes, all these. Whenever you write a statements in printf and scanf, there we try to use a double quote. That all that we'll try to see when I actually write a program. All right, now similarly, if you'll take this particular what you call constants, numerics or strings, here also let me change the color and show you. Here also numerics and strings, under this you consider maybe int. Okay, there should be only a number. Similarly, float, directly you can consider a number, maybe it is 25.9. Similarly, if I'll say double, how it is represented, maybe 30.1256, some decimal points. Okay, this is how the represented. As I said, whenever I say constants, the int followed by a number should be there should not be any x comma y comma z. Similarly, float followed by a number, double followed by a number, directly it is going to take that particular number. Okay, all these comes under C tokens. Try to understand, all these comes under what you call, for example, let me change the color and show you. These keywords, identifiers. Whenever somebody asks you in an interview about a C token, there are 5 different types of C tokens: keywords, identifiers, operators, and constants, followed by separators and special symbols. Okay, or they might ask you to write few separators and ask you to define it. Then you are supposed to define each and every bit of it. Okay, and once you understand exactly what code is all about, how to write a simple program, then you'll understand where exactly we are using terminators, parentheses, square brackets, single quotes, double quotes, braces, all the stuff. Okay, this is all for this session. If you find anything to ask, you can comment in the box given below. All right, this is all for this session. Thank you.